Hi, my name is Malan from Alexandria, Egypt. I'm in my third year of university studying mechanical engineering at the Faculty of Engineering, Alexandria University, and I'm proudly introducing my final project for the CS50 2019 course, Messillizer. Messillizer is a messy file organizer. Okay, it was just a naming decision, but to me what it does is what's important. First, let me tell you about my inspiration. It was when a friend of mine told me he wanted a copy of a big file collection that I have. Let's say they were background images that I've been collecting for years, so I'm talking about thousands of files on the same folder. Of course, I knew each and every one of them, but he doesn't. So I knew it was finally time for me to categorize them. I wanted them separated in folders, named like animals, cars, characters, etc. But the questions were how and how much time would it take? The first thing that may come to your mind is to have the files in a window, the folders in another, and click, drag, and drop each and every file into the folder it belongs to. And in some cases, you'd want a certain file to have a copy in several folders, so you're gonna have to repeat the same sequence several times for the same file. And this is just too much wasted time and effort. You want to select a file and just click on the folder you want it to be copied or moved to. And that's it. And that's exactly what Messillizer makes you able to do. And here's a little demonstration. So this is my code written in Python using tkinter to build the UI. First, let me run it. Okay, now from this window, I can add the files I want to organize. As you can see, I've selected 35 files. And then add the folders I want to organize them into, and I've pre-selected some for the demo, so I'm going to press cancel for now. And by pressing next, I get to this window. Now I can see the files that I've selected with the thumbnails of their images, with the song covers and actual song names if they are MP3s to remember them faster, and with other icons that I've made myself. I can always add more files by pressing file here. Another cool feature is that you can add the files in a certain directory all at once. Now I have 285 files. I can navigate through them, double click to open, delete if I don't want them anymore, copy and move each one to the folders I have here, which also I can add more to. And again, to make things easier, I've added optimizable keyboard shortcuts to navigate through, copy and move the files without having to move the mouse a lot. And now we're gonna fast forward a little for the demo, and just like that, you can sort any file database you want, fast, simple, and easy. This is my project, special thanks to Professor David and his awesome CS50 crew. This was CS50, and thanks for watching.